Trainer Mikey, you lose this time. What can you say about that?
Hold it, we want another race.
Oh, she wants another race, Trainer John.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So, what ways do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
So what is the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. And that is a ring race.
So, the ring race it shall be. Remember guys that boys will already 1 point. So girls, let's cheer for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again this time on a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here is Sassy for his first ring. Wait, what's happening? Sassy pick up the 3 rings at the same time. How clever is that? And the winner is Sassy. Trainer John, what happened? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys did it!
Oh, he thinks you cheated.
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer John and Trainer Mikey.